Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to disassemble and open the PS1 controller. So this controller is quite old and the disassembly process is not going to be that much tricky, because if, for example, you take the modern controllers, for example DualSense or the DualShock 4, they are quite a bit more complex and the disassembly will be taking more time and it's just harder in general. Okay, so the first step is going to be taking your controller, taking a screwdriver and remove all 6 screws from the back of the controller. So this is what it's going to look like. So these are the screws. Alright, after removing the screws, you basically unlock the actual body of the controller and you just need to pry open the back panel from your controller and remove it. As you can see, we have 6 screws right over here. And also you need to remove the screw that holds the circuit board. It is now displayed on this image. And now you need to carefully remove the circuit board from the front cover of the controller, as seen in this picture. Be careful not to mess anything up. So if you're looking to clear any debris or dirt from your controller, analyze the rubber pads for any debris that may be getting in the way of the black pads. So black pads are actually the ones that are contacting with the actual electrical parts of your controller and actually give the signal about that you're pressing on these buttons. So if they are cluttered up, they may not give the signal and your buttons basically will not be working. You can also examine the flexible trigger board for any dirt or debris. Now you can check the connection of the flexible trigger board to the main circuit board of your controller, which looks something like this. It's supposed to be connected. And now after cleaning it, or whatever the objective that you have of disassembling it, you can reverse the disassembly steps until the controller is back to its original state, and then just plug it into your console and test if it worked. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. Hopefully this helped. Like the video and subscribe. I'll see you very soon.